Introducing the CraftVac, your go-to cordless mini craft vacuum for effortless cleanup and organization in your creative workspace. This handheld marvel is the ultimate portable solution for tidying up after your projects. With the CraftVac, you'll experience the convenience of 2 different attachments and adjustable suction levels, ensuring that beads, glitter, gems, and other small crafting materials are easily picked up and neatly sorted. The included flat and brush nozzles offer versatility in tackling various messes. Not only for crafting, it is great for cleaning up snack messes, keyboards, and car interiors. Recharging your CraftVac is a breeze thanks to the convenient USB port and included wire. It's ready when the indicator light changes from red to blue. Featuring a filter screen, a cleverly designed bottom that twists open to reveal a storage compartment, and a transparent cover that lets you keep an eye on what you've collected. Its one-touch operation button ensures a quiet and efficient cleanup process. Say goodbye to messy workspaces and hello to creativity unleashed with the CraftVac.